Hi, this is Phil Hicks of Focal Point Communication, your local Sprint wireless dealer. When people think Sprint and Focal Point, they usually think cell phones, so they should. Still a huge part of our business. But more and more, Sprint and Focal Point are in the wireless solutions business. Today we're going to be demonstrating one of our advanced solutions, a business continuity product. What do I mean by that? Well, most businesses have some kind of an internet connection, wired connection that comes in and allows them to get on the internet and do their business. And for many businesses like ours, if you don't have that connection, you don't have a business. You have to stop working, basically. We have an answer. Using Sprint's mobile broadband modems and one of our technology partners, Cradlepoint, we have a way to keep you working even if your wired connection goes down. Let's take a look at the solution. This is a Cradlepoint Technologies MBR1000 router, and it's similar to the ones most people have in their home or office. It has a connection to the internet that comes in, and it also has wired ports to go directly to the computers, as well as built-in Wi-Fi. But what makes it different and special is that you can plug in using the two included USB ports and an express card slot. You can plug in mobile broadband modems. We've got our Sprint 3G, 4G Sierra Wireless 250U modem plugged in. What it does is basically you don't actually need a wired connection to work now. You can use a mobile broadband connection. But for a lot of reasons, people would want to keep, in certain cases, want to keep their wired connection. So you're on the internet, you're working, everything's great, but what happens if the connection goes down? Well, first of all, we're going to be taking a look inside the router. This is inside the heart of the beast. Now, most people don't need to know this, with the technical side of it, but we're showing you here that the wired connection is established through the Ethernet port. It's working. People are on the internet, everything's great. Now let's simulate what happens if the connection is broken. Doink! No more wired connection. The router will recognize that and will start going to its failover solutions. First, we've set it up so that the Sprint modem is a 3G and a 4G modem. First, we've set it up to look for a 4G connection, and if there was one, it would establish that connection. We're at our Seabrook office. We don't have 4G yet here, but if you're in the Boston area, Haverhill, Lowell, Lawrence, you would be able to do that, or any other 4G area for that matter. And then it says no 4G. I'm going to look for a 3G connection, which we have here, and boom, you're up and running again. So the users might see a slight interruption of maybe 30, 45 seconds, and then boom, they're right back on the internet again. So they keep working as long as they need to, and eventually let's simulate the connection coming back. So click, we plug back in, and the router will recognize that immediately and reestablish, or the technical term is fail back to the original connection. The users keep going again. So there's very little interruption, seconds of interruption in use of the internet. So you can see where people can keep working, no downtime. Great for businesses that need the internet, be it an office environment, health services, utilities, retail establishments. It's great for a lot of applications. Now, incidentally, you don't, again, I repeat the point, you don't actually need to have a wired connection. You can just use the mobile broadband connection. When you're on in your 4G area, your connection speeds will vary between 4 and 10 megabits per second, pretty fast. When you are in a 3G area, your average speeds will be between 1 megabit per second and 2 megabits per second. Still pretty fast. So that's the business continuity solution using Sprint's mobile broadband modems and our partner Cradlepoint Technologies. If you'd like to learn more about this solution or any other wireless solution, please call us at 1-800-88-POINT. or visit us on the link on the email. We'll be happy to talk to you. Thanks for watching.